Hi, how are you? Today we'll draw a very easy tree drawing. We can initialize this by drawing some clouds here. Little cloud on the right side. One bigger cloud here. You know the clouds in the sky which floats in the sky. So these are the clouds. Okay. We're going to do two more clouds, like one here and one in this side. Another clouds maybe like here. All right, let's draw the branch. This is the main trunk of the tree, so it will be little more thick. Then branches come from the side, from this side too. We need to connect another branch here. In the bottom we can draw the ground like this. It looks like little hilly up here. Later we'll put some grasses here. So this is the basic shape of the tree. Let's put some shades to the clouds. These clouds are actually lots of leaves of this tree. Here's the big cloud. Big shade for the big cloud too. We need to do little detail on the trunk. Let's put little shade. uh-huh. Shades. One side is little darker than the other side. This is the lowest part of the trunk. Just put some shade on the ground. Some shades here too. And little grasses here. Grasses are visibly pleasant, merging with nature. Alright, so this is the drawing of a simple tree. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe and do the practice. Thank you so much. Have a good day.